My name is John Martinez. I'm the CEO and founder of an events technology company based in London called Shocklogic. We're absolutely passionate about simplifying the life of event organizers and supporting them deliver the best events they can. On the 25th of February this year, at 10 o'clock in the morning at the Excel London, I'm going to be participating in a panel at the Confex International event. Together with Bernadette Palombo and Juliet Tripp, we're going to be discussing top tips and tricks on how to weave wellness into our events life. This is going to be happening at the Association Events Forum Theatre. With the stress already in this industry, deadlines to meet, long working hours, what are we doing in order to prioritize self-care? What are we doing in order to deal with the anxiety, the pressures, the stress that we're under? What strategies are we putting in place in order to deal with ourselves? And as leaders, what are we doing to deal with our teams? This is a reality. I can't wait to share with you some of the things that we're doing at Shocklogic, some of the strategies we have put in place and the tools that we've put in place in order to deal with the pressures of event life. I'm really looking forward to seeing you there on the 25th.